Welcome everyone. So we'll continue our chapter number 4, that is reproductive health. And in our previous video we discussed something about the reproductive health, the introduction part, what is reproductive health, population, birth control, all this. And last video we discussed these two topics. There is an MTP, medical termination pregnancy, and STI, that is a sexual transmitted infections. Even we discussed AIDS, HIV/AIDS, that is a human immunodeficiency syndrome or acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. This is a disease related to our health. Okay, so in that we discussed these two important topics. Now today I want to discuss very crucial topic and very important topic, that is infertility. That is the last topic of your chapter, infertility. Now my dear student, this is a big question in each and every human life, infertility. Now infertility is one process in that the woman is unable to fertilize, the woman's egg is unable to fertilize. Okay, the fertilization process will not be carried out in the fallopian tube. So that we discuss here, if we know that we have discussed many methods. So in that some methods and the techniques, if you know this, there is ART. Some techniques are there to reduce this type of problems, to overcome this type of problems related to infertility and make it fertile. Okay, so this we need to discuss today. So ART is an assisted reproductive technology. Assisted reproductive technology. In that different methods we will utilize, different methods we will apply, scientific methods are there. So we can start the formation, that is zygote. Zygote formation must be carried out in the fertilization process. The fertilization is what? Formation of zygote. So if zygote formation is not carried out in this, so for that we are utilizing IVF. So IVF is what? In vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization means it is a process which carried out outside the body. Okay. So in that embryo will be transferred to the particular media where the fertilization process will be done. So here, this in 10th standard, if you know this, TTB. Anybody guess that what is TTB? It is a test tube baby. Generally we call the test tube baby. TTB, that is test tube baby. So embryo will be transferred to the particular media and where they nurture. So that is called TTB, that is test tube baby. And different methods also there. Some processes are related to in vivo fertilization. In that injections, the sperm will be entered. That also we will discuss. So here, this method, what I am talking about, ZIFT. That is zygote zygote intra. It's an intra fallopian tube. That is ZIFT. That also we need to understand zygote intra-fallopian transfer or tube. Fallopian transfer tube. So this is the method ZIFT. That is a zygote intra-fallopian tube transfer. So that is a ZIFT. So in this method, what will be done? So here embryo which will be transferred transfer, intrauterine transfer or tube. So this process will be carried out. So embryo transfer in the fallopian tube in the women. Next process is what? Here this process you can understand in vitro fertilization. This whole process is in vitro fertilization. And next process is there is a injection. Okay, so in that gamete will be transferred with the help of ICSI technology. So ICSI technology is intracytoplasmic sperm injection. So with the help of this method, here artificial insemination process will be done. Artificial insemination process, because this method is totally done by ICSI. That is from it is a sperm injection which will be done by artificial insemination AI, and it is last you can say intrauterine IUI, that is intrauterine insemination. Last same thing, intrauterine insemination. So this process will be carried out. Now in this what will happen? You can see that intrauterine in that so here you can see in the technique in this the semen collected either from the sperm or from the donor, and it will be transferred to the mother's or female uterus or vagina, through vagina. So that process is intrauterine insemination, and the method is ICSI. So that is intracytoplasmic sperm injections are there, and this method, these two methods are very crucial. ZIFT, embryo transfer in the fallopian tube, IUT, that is intrauterine transfer, and GIFT, that is gamete transfer with the help of ICSI technology, and in that artificial insemination process, or we can use for that intrauterine insemination, which will be carried out from the donor, and it will be transferred into the uterus of by the from vagina. Okay, that also will be done. So this is about the infertility related technologies. So what we discussed here, we discussed IVF, in vitro fertilization, ART, assisted reproductive technology. In the different methods are there, ZIFT, sperm injection, which will be carried out with the help of these two methods, artificial insemination and IUI, that is an intrauterine insemination. So up to here we'll discuss, and this is the last and final topic of this chapter. I hope you understood this topic, because this topic is very interesting, easy to understand, and some techniques we need to know, and then work is easy. So if any problem would be there related to these chapters, don't worry, when you will come, we'll discuss. No hesitation, ask questions, I am ready to give answer. So thank you, have a nice day, we'll meet.